Hello, this is Dr. Seymour Kern, continuing with Low Noise Thinking, the book, um, Wealth, Health, and Happiness, and so forth. Anyway, chapter 15, the title is Euphoric versus Depressive States of Mind. Should be an interesting topic. A lot of it is, a lot of people have it. Low noise thinking theory, or LNT, can be very useful in analyzing and managing a wide range of neurotic conditions such as software issues of the mind. Euphoria and depression are two of the more common conditions. Because there is no tissue injury, these cannot be classified by LNT as being a psychosis. Remember, psychosis has to do with something concrete, whereas neurosis is a software issue, not a structural issue. In other words, there's damage. The customary way to manage neurosis would be through psychotherapy or interactive behavioral means, which are usually very drawn out processes. LNT theory is by definition a far simpler and more cost effective tool, which is somewhat new for acceptance in relation to the more conventional therapeutic modalities. It is still an experimental concept. Therefore, medical legally, it should not be prescribed or used without the approval of one's medical doctor or the like, or without a good informed consent or disclaimer policy, which we have. Therefore, medical legally, it should not be prescribed or used without approval of a medical doctor. However, LNT preliminary findings to date look very promising as a minimally invasive, cost-effective management of many neurotic conditions. LNT can be variably and selectively used to block a problematic neurotic condition by automatically generating its own noise. What is even more fascinating is LNT can also automatically self-diagnose the neurotic state of mind and auto-regulate the mental waveforms to counter or repair the mind's faulty programming. In short, our brain has infinite software on file and can write even more of on its own as needed. It can do so rapidly and far more cost-effectively than conventional time-intensive psychotherapy or interreactive talk therapy. This means that many neurotic or non-structural ailments could be reset automatically by accessing the infinite capacity of the mind to lower or elevate and transform its waveform transmissions. Remember, the brain deals with waveforms, which are infinitely stackable. A computer deals with bytes, which take up space. So anything with waveform is going to be stackable because there's nothing there to take up space. It's a software issue. The mind would also select the correct software from its vast library to do the job far more efficiently than by the use of any conventional psychotherapy. Remember that this is only an approximate model. of the ideal, not proven fact. The potential to offer radical solutions in the future to age-old problems is there nonetheless as we progress scientifically toward a greater understanding of the full implications of LNT, low noise thinking. Low noise thinking actually worked for me and helped me to solve some not so obvious embedded problems of a similar nature. Although LNT is infinitely complex, it uses its power to greatly simplify our understanding of things as well. Test it out for yourself. Let me know when what you experience. Meditate far more effectively using LNT powerful visuals of the mind, infinite universe. Yes, practice does make perfect. So, our next chapter will be chapter 16, The Dream of Unlocking Your Infinite Mind. That's where we want to go. Okay, nice seeing you. We'll see you later.